Welcome back to CarTech Vision. Today, we're taking a deep and realistic look at the powerful and stylish Haval H6, a modern SUV that is gaining massive attention all around the world. From the outside, the Haval H6 looks bold, muscular, and premium. It features a large chrome front grille, sharp LED headlights, and sporty daytime running lights that give this SUV a very aggressive road presence. The body lines are smooth and aerodynamic, giving it a classy and premium feel on the road. The alloy wheels are large and sporty, and the roof rails make it look ready for adventure. Now let's move inside the cabin. The interior of the Haval H6 feels highly modern and luxurious. You get soft touch materials all around the dashboard, premium leather seats, and a very clean, tech-focused layout. The digital instrument cluster gives you all important driving information clearly, while the large touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The steering wheel is multifunction, wrapped in leather, and gives you full control of music, calls, and cruise control. The seats are very comfortable and supportive, perfect for long drives. Rear passengers get good legroom and headroom, along with rear AC vents and USB charging ports. Under the bonnet, the Haval H6 offers multiple engine options. It comes with a turbocharged petrol engine that gives strong acceleration and smooth performance. Some variants also come with hybrid technology for better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. The driving experience of the Haval H6 is very smooth and comfortable. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and rough roads easily, making it perfect for city driving as well as long highway journeys. The steering is light at low speeds and stable at high speeds. When it comes to safety, the Haval H6 is packed with advanced features. You get multiple airbags, ABS brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, hill start assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Some models also offer advanced driver assistance features like lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and forward collision warning. The boot space of the Haval H6 is large and practical. You can easily fit suitcases, shopping bags, or travel gear. With rear seats folded down, you get even more cargo space for longer trips. Overall, the Haval H6 offers an amazing combination of style, comfort, technology, and safety. It feels like a premium SUV but at a more affordable price compared to many big brands. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on CarTech Vision.